played a good match. I think we were clearly the best team tonight. But the problem is that we couldn't score, despite creating really many chances. We should work on that, because that was our problem, but we were clearly the best team tonight. And I'm confident, since we improved following the match with Iran, that we have good chances to qualify for the next round. Well, we had some moments of good football. Actually, we were leading twice, but then we were not in a position to keep the pace, to stand the pressure, and that's why we facilitated actually the Guinea's comebacks for two occasions. That's something we should work on. We should be more solid, so that we can keep the pace and ensure that when we are leading the match, we can also close it.